Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. So one of my subscriber asked that when downtrend is going on, so how it shifted to the uptrend. So first of all we have to see that this we can consider as the one of the support and resistance area. Okay guys, second will be the somewhere here guys. Okay guys, this will be act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, when the downtrend is shifting, what happened is that it goes upside, came somewhere here, 2 to 3 times it will test it, then it will came downside, then it will act as resistance. First of all it will acting as a supporting area, now it will act as a resistance. Okay guys, this will be like this, then it will in previous resistance area only, this is the support, so here only it will take once again resistance and came downside. Okay guys, like this will the downtrend is going on. After what happened is that if it has to shift in a uptrend, what happened is that I will just make another line. So when this trend has to shift in a uptrend, what happened is that this will act as a resistance. You can know that thing. Okay, after that it will take resistance first time, second time, because here our seller is so much dominated guys. So third time, at the third time it will came, definitely gonna break. At this point do not buy here. When it once again came and take support exactly at this point, you can go for uptrend guys. This will switch it on a as a uptrend guys. Okay guys, this will once again, this will acted as a resistance, so this will act as a one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, like this the downtrend is shifted to uptrend. What happened is that guys, this you know that this is the swings, so this has been came downside. Now right now this will act as a resistance. First time tested, came downside, second time tested, came downside once again, third time bars are so much dominated guys, so they will break this level and take it upside momentum, but you have to hold on, and came once again somewhere here at supporting level area, because this will act as a one of the major resistance area, because sellers are coming. Now here buyer will activate and take it upside momentum guys, one sided momentum. Also I will tell you one of the price action. What happened is that when, and this is at a 5 minutes time frame guys, it is not at a daily time frame or 1 hourly time frame. What happened is that it came downside. Okay guys, it's making a like this downtrend. Okay guys, if it has to switch it on a uptrend, so what happened is that it goes upside. Okay guys, came once again downside, goes upside, once again came downside. What happened is here guys, you have to see this. This is the one of the major supporting areas. Okay guys, this is the swing. Okay guys, this is the swing. Okay guys, I will just make this line. Okay guys, this is the swing. Now this swing is broken, means this swing is broken, means this is shifted to the up trend momentum guys. Okay guys, this swing, because of this is the one of the swing, after that broken, goes upside momentum, came once again, take support. It doesn't matter, it will came and take support exactly here, it has broken the swing. So you the ideal entry will be somewhere here only. Here you have to take your position and you have to keep your SLs very limitedly, like this, slightly below after this, so you can see that one-sided momentum will came like this. Okay guys, this is the price action how you have to find. If you don't want to ask that price action how it works, you don't, never mind. If you want, so you can use this. Otherwise this is the best way in daily time frame or 5 minutes time frame also. This will work very nicely. Okay guys, this is the downtrend. You can see that downtrend has been taken out. Now the uptrend, what happened here, came once again, seller will activate, once again seller will activate. Buyers are so much dominated because 2 times buyer has been tried. Now seller will goes outside the ring. Why is that? Because of buyer has been 2 times tried. So right now here buyer will consolidate and taken it upside momentum. Why is that? Because you know that some point of that, you know that the pencil you have that, so 1 time 2 time you can wanted to break it, so it doesn't break, but third time it definitely gonna break, because it at first, at second, point you have to break. So at that point only some of the stress or some of the weight you have been applied, so that will be broken. So here also buyer has been so much dominant, taken it upside. Once again, definitely come in a bigger time frame here, or it will make a price action. Okay guys, what happened is that also I will tell you, it doesn't take here support. Okay guys, just a second. Just think that it doesn't take any support from here. Okay guys, I will just draw it for you. So from here only it will not take support somewhere here. Okay guys, at this place only it will came slightly here. After that it broken. What happened is that this is the swing guys, this is swing has been broken. So you have to take the position somewhere here only, and your SL will be the very small guys. So this is the thing what you have to see in switching the uh, uptrend to downtrend. Okay guys, downtrend to uptrend guys, sorry guys, downtrend to uptrend. This is the thing how it works. Okay guys, we gonna see the how uptrend will gonna take the downtrend, switch on a downtrend. Okay guys, and just a second guys. So you have to see this guys. What happened is that if uptrend is going on like this, okay guys, what happened is that once again came, take support, taken resistance. This is the uptrend is going on. Okay guys, like this. What happened is that once again it came downside guys, came downside. Okay guys, what happened, take somewhere here only, because this is the buyer zone area. So now it will act as a resistance. Okay guys, it will act as resistance, came downside, take resistance. Because of this is the resistance area. First of all, this is the resistance area, we have already marked this. So this will act as a resistance only. So this will act as a one of the major supporting area. What happened, once again take support, and here only consolidate, broken, and came downside once again like this. The thing is, what you have to see is that in price action also I will tell you, in price action what happened, it taken it upside, taken, goes upside, once again taken, came downside. What happened is that here somewhere here only you have to make your position. Why is that? Because this is the swing, because this is higher high, this is higher low. After this low is broken, you have to go for short, and definitely gonna give a very big and huge profit guys. Okay guys, this is the price action how you have to use. This is the uptrend, you can see that making a higher high, this is higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. After that what happened, this is also made in a higher high only. Sorry guys, it's gonna take slightly wrong, do not worry about it. After that you can see that higher high made a higher low, higher low, higher low. This is the sign that trend is now converted into downtrend. This is the higher high when it makes, that means the uptrend is going on. After that higher low is going on, that I will also made a higher high and higher lows, so you can get the very nice idea. So this is the higher high guys. Okay guys, just a second. So like this higher high has been made. Okay guys, because of, you can see that this is higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So downtrend how it gonna start, you can see here downtrend came once again downside like this. Okay guys, what happened is that I will just show you. So like this, what happened is that downtrend, this is higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, continuously. This low is shifting downward, 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 and this higher high is shifting in downward. So this is like how the downtrend and uptrend will works. Okay guys, hope you have all cleared your doubt guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys.